Hello everyone, welcome to the ContenTable tutorial series. My name is Glenn and I'll be walking you through how to use each of ContenTable's features. This guide is intended not just for people who are interested in learning how to use ContenTable, but also those who would like an in-depth view of what ContenTable is and how it works before they purchase it so that they can better decide whether or not it's right for their project. So first and foremost, what is ContenTable? ContenTable is an add-on for the Unity editor that allows developers to write data for their game in an Excel document and then read that Excel document into the Unity editor and export it as scriptable objects. If you don't know what a scriptable object is, it's basically a container for information that can be loaded directly into a Unity script and interacted with like any other object in a script. There's plenty of great resources online to understand what they are, how they work, and why you might want to use them. And I'll be sure to link to a video in the card in the top right corner of the screen right now, and also in the pinned comment below. With that out of the way, let's install ContenTable. ContenTable is not difficult to install, so I'm going to drag and drop the folder in from outside of the Unity editor and add it to my project here. And then we just need to compile it, and this may take a while. Alright, and once it's finished compiling, you should see the tool in the Tools drop-down ContenTable. So we're just going to click that, and there we have it. Opens just like that. And there you have it. You have successfully installed ContenTable. Well, that's all for this installment of the tutorial series. I hope you'll join us in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.